Okay, so I just woke up. Sorry for the morning voice, but I just learned I have the day off work. So I think I'm going to take my drone here and my trusty camera and head out on a bit of a day trip. Not sure where I'm going yet, but just want to see if I can try and get some good shots, some good video. I don't know, just kind of play around with my current tools and see what I can make. Hopefully, I'll be able to edit into, a nice little montage or something like that. We'll see. I'll try and use my phone camera to record footage along the way. Maybe do like a time lapse or something like that. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna head out and see what strikes my fancy, where I want to go. I will see you when I get showered and dressed and ready to go. Alright, all cleaned up and ready to go grab some breakfast and coffee. After that, we'll just chill out in the truck here and find out where we're gonna go to shoot our video and drone footage today. Anyway, it's a little rainy today, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to actually fly my drone. It depends on if the weather clears up or not. Hopefully. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go get some coffee, some breakfast, and I'll catch you in a minute. Alrighty, I am fueled up. Did a little bit of research about where I want to go. It's called Dixie Mountain. The Dixie Mountain viewpoint is where I'll be heading. There's a little place I can park. Looks like there's a little trail I can walk around, to see. About 40 minutes away, up Highway 30 near Step Boost. Yeah, I'm gonna head there and hopefully it's a cool little spot. Here. I'm realizing now I don't really have a way to capture audio. I'm gonna try and use my AirPods here. We'll see if it works. I'm not too sure. Pretty beautiful drive. Can't flip it right now, but kind of a cool area. I'll get my drone going soon so we can get some better views. Alright, well, it ended up being quite a bit colder outside than I thought it was going to be, so I am going to set this guy up inside my nice toasty truck here, and then I will bring it outside. I haven't booted this up in a while. I made sure all the batteries were charged, made sure the controller was charged. I should have an empty memory card in there, so hopefully this is all going to be ready to go. Yeah, let's give it a crack. Okay, just finished up a little bit of filming. Getting decent drone footage is quite a bit harder than I thought it was going to be. So something else to add to the list of what I need to work on and improve. Hopefully I got something usable out of that. But yeah, it's, you know, you watch all these videos and they're doing all these cool panoramic shots of zooms and floats and different camera angles and stuff like that. And I couldn't do anything like that. So I'm going to have to just learn this a little bit better. Yeah, the controls are kind of weird. So I'll have to see if I can change that to make it more like video gamey. It feels like you're playing Halo with like Southpaw and inverted controls. So we'll see. It was fun messing around. Haven't messed with it in a while. So it was fun busting it back out. Definitely just, yeah, need to work on it. As with everything. So yeah, might hit up one more spot before I go home. I just need to see if that is open right now. I just found out there's a Doppler weather station about 5 minutes from where I was filming. So I'm gonna head down there. I'm not gonna take any drone footage because there's interesting rules around like flying around what they consider critical infrastructure. I don't know if this is considered that. Like, I know you're not allowed to fly around dams and, you know, obviously airports and stuff like that. So I'm not going to risk it. I don't want the FAA, you know, knocking on my door. So I am just going to take some pictures, maybe a couple videos. I'm not going to use the drone though. Hopefully this is cool and hopefully it is accessible to me. They might have it closed off, so we will see. Yeah, I'll talk to you when I get there. Pulled over, took a little break. There were some horses that I wanted to take some pictures of. They were like out in the field, and as soon as I pulled over and stopped, they both just ran right up to me. Like, I mean, there was a fence in the way, but it was just kind of crazy. They both just like charged forward and were like, oh, just looking at me all interested. Yeah, I just thought that was pretty funny. I was not expecting that. I was expecting to get some, you know, incognito photos of these horses, and they just wanted everything to do with me. I'm not sure if they thought I had food or something, but I don't know. I just thought it was kind of funny and interesting. Thought I'd share. Continuing on to the Doppler station. Yeah, just pulled over. Try and get a couple more photos here. Just a cool little viewpoint. Figured I'd try and get some good pictures. See if I can get my exposure settings correct. We'll see when I get home. They look okay on the viewfinder, but who knows? Hopefully they turn out okay. We'll see. Now onward to the Doppler station. Shouldn't have any more stops. Well, I made it. It's a pretty cool little structure. I don't really know what it's doing. I did some research while editing the video and learned that these Doppler radar stations transmit pulses of radio waves, and when these waves encounter a moving target, like raindrops, the reflected signal's frequency shifts depending on the target's speed and direction. Doppler radar can determine the intensity, direction, and speed of precipitation, as well as detect the rotation of thunderstorm clouds and airborne tornado debris. It is crucial for weather forecasting, providing data for predicting severe weather, identifying precipitation types, and estimating rainfall amounts. Now back to the video. But it looks awesome. It's a big dome, circular thing. I'll try and splice some footage here so you can see what I'm looking at. Of course, they have it all gated off, locked off. There's a staircase going up to the top. Oh, what I wouldn't give to climb up there and do some exploring, but I'd probably be breaking multiple laws doing that, so I'll hold off. Yeah, it just looks cool. I don't know what it does, but I'm glad I went here and checked it out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head home now and try and splice all this footage into some sort of video for you guys. Hopefully it turns out all right. yeah, until next time. Hey, I just want to take the time to say thank you if you made it to the end of the video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any info you think might be helpful to me. Also, if you found the video interesting, please give it a like and maybe consider subscribing. I'd love to have you stick around while I try to improve the quality of my videos and attempt to grow the channel. Thank you again for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.